In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend email in Yahoo. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Go to the Yahoo Mail login page, enter your email address exactly as it's written, and click Next. Type your password carefully to avoid errors. Watch for caps lock or extra spaces and click Next again. If you see an error, simply re-enter your details and proceed. You'll arrive at the inbox homepage, ready to locate the message you want to send again. Now, find the original email in your sent folder. On the left sidebar, click Send to see all previously sent messages. If you have a long history, use the search bar at the top to narrow things down. Try keywords from the subject line, a distinctive phrase from the message, or the recipient's name. Keep your search specific to save time. Once you see the right message, click it to open and review its contents. With the email open, click Forward. Look for the forward arrow near the top of the message. This opens a new Compose window that includes the original content and any attachments that were sent. In the To field, confirm the recipient's address or replace it if you're sending to someone else. If the message previously included multiple addresses, remove any you don't want to include this time. Next, edit and review the content. Add a short note at the top to clarify why you're resending. Maybe it's a reminder, a correction, or added context. Scan the entire email for accuracy. Check links, dates, and any details that may have changed. Verify attachments that carried over. If something is outdated, replace it with the correct version before you proceed. Take a moment to review the subject line too. Forwarding often adds forward automatically, and you can adjust the subject to keep it clear and relevant. Trim any unnecessary quoted text if the thread is long. Before moving on, double-check the recipient, subject, and message body to make sure everything is correct and professional. When you're satisfied, click Send. The email transmits as a new message, effectively resending the original content with your updates. You'll see a copy in your sent folder for your records. Keep in mind that Yahoo Mail doesn't offer a direct resend or recall feature on desktop. Forwarding is the reliable approach. On mobile, there may be a brief undo option right after sending, but it's time limited, so your careful review is the best safeguard against mistakes. And that's all it takes to resend an email in Yahoo. Sign in, locate the original, forward it, polish the details, and send with confidence.